Hello friends, myself Ashish Pratap Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are discussing today Constitution of India, structure and features. Firstly, सबसे पहले हम भारत के संविधान के बैकग्राउंड की चर्चा करेंगे. Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. Proclaiming India to be a sovereign democratic republic. The federal structure of government, provincial autonomy, a bicameral central legislature consisting of a federal assembly and a council of states, and the separation of legislative powers between the center and state are some of the provisions of the Act which are present in the Constitution of India. Drafting. The Constitution was drafted by the Constituent Assembly, which was elected by the elected member of the Provincial Assembly. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sanjay Pakhe, Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rajagopalachari, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad were some important figures in the assembly. The members of the Constituent Assembly met for the first time on 9 December 1946. On 29 August 1947, the drafting committee was appointed. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman along with 6 other members, assisted by a constitutional advisor. The Constitution in its current form consists of a preamble, 22 parts containing 395 articles, 12 schedules, and 104 amendments. Latest being related to the reserved seats for the Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies. Indian Constitution is federal in nature and also has a strong unitary bias. Parts. The individual articles of the Constitution are grouped together into the following parts. प्रियम्बल. भारत के संविधान को टोटल 22 भागों में विभाजित किया गया है, जिसको हम एक एक करके यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट पार्ट यूनियन एंड इट्स टेरिटरी, सेकंड सिटीजनशिप, थर्ड फंडामेंटल राइट्स, फोर्थ DPSP, 4A fundamental duties, fifth the union, sixth the state, 7 repealed, 8 the union territory, 9 the panchayats. 9th है the municipalities, 9th B the cooperative societies, 10th the scheduled and tribal areas, 11 relation between the union and the states, 12 finance, property, contracts, 13 trade and commerce, 14 service under the union, the states, 14 tribunals, 15 elections, 16 special provision relating to certain clauses. And next language, 18 emergency provision, 19 miscellaneous, 20 amendment of the Constitution, 21 temporary and special provisions, and last 22 short title, date of commencement and repeals. Scheduled. हमारे संविधान में टोटल 12 अनुसूचियों का वर्णन किया गया है। फर्स्ट शेड्यूल बात करता है द लिस्ट द स्टेट्स एंड टेरिटरीज ऑफ इंडिया, लिस्ट any changes to their borders and the law used to make it change. Second schedule, the list the salaries of officials holding public office, judges and CAG. Third schedule, forms of oath, शपथ की बात करता है, the list of oaths of office for elected officials and judges. Fourth schedule, the details the allocation of seat in the Rajya Sabha पर स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी। राज्यसभा क्या होता है? एक तरह का अपर हाउस होता है। सभा को हम अपर हाउस ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट बोलते हैं। फिफ्थ शेड्यूल आर्टिकल 244 दी प्रोवाइड्स फॉर द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ शेड्यूल्ड एरियाज एंड शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स। सिक्स शेड्यूल प्रोविजन फॉर द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ ट्राइबल एरिया इन असम, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा एंड मिजोरम। सातवीं अनुसूची द यूनियन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के लिए स्टेट एंड कंकरेंट लिस्ट ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज। आठवीं से अनुसूची द ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस। नाइन्थ शेड्यूल आर्टिकल 31 बी आर्टिकल्स मेंशन्ड हियर आर इम्यून फ्रॉम द जुडिशियल रिव्यू। लेकिन केशवानंद भारती के केस में यह कहा गया कि केशवानंद भारती केस के बाद से, जिस दिन वो केस डिसाइड हुआ है उसके बाद से जो भी लॉ 9 शेड्यूल में डाला जाएगा उसका भी हम जुडिशियल रिव्यू करेंगे, क्योंकि जुडिशियल रिव्यू इज ए बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। 10 शेड्यूल एंटी डिफेक्शन प्रोविजन फॉर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट एंड मेंबर ऑफ स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर। एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ रिलेटेड टू द एमपी एंड द एमएलएस। 11 शेड्यूल पंचायती राज एंड लास्ट 12 शेड्यूल म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज। Federal structure. The three lists, the union list, the state list, and the concurrent list define the legislative power of each level of government. The union government reserves the right to make law in area specified on the union list. The state government allowed to make laws in area specified on the state list. Parliamentary democracy. The President of India is elected by the Parliament and state legislative assemblies and not directly by the people. राष्ट्रपति का जो निर्वाचन होता है वो सीधे जनता के द्वारा नहीं होता है। The President is the head of state and all the businesses of the executive and laws of the Parliament are in her name. Next, the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers exercise their offices only as long as they enjoy a majority support in the Lok Sabha, the lower house of the Parliament, which consists of members directly elected by the people. A similar structure is present in states where the directly elected legislative assembly enjoy control over the chief minister and the state council of ministers. Independent judiciary. The judiciary of India is free to control from either the executive or the parliament. Let's see Article 50. The judiciary acts as an interpreter of the constitution and as an intermediary in case of dispute between two states or between a state and the union. Supreme Court is a protector and guarantor of the fundamental right. उच्चतम न्यायालय क्या होता है? मूल अधिकार का संरक्षक और गारंटर होता है। Salient feature of Constitution of India: longest written constitution, best constitution, based on adult surface, Parliamentary form of government in India. Fundamental rights, fundamental duties, DPSP. Secular democracy. Changing the constitution. Amendments to the constitution are made by the parliament, the procedure for which is laid out in Article 368. संविधान संशोधन का प्रावधान अनुच्छेद 368 में दिया हुआ है. Amendment bill must be passed by both the houses of the parliament by a two-third majority and voting. The Supreme Court had ruled in Keswanand Bharati versus State of Kerala case that not every constitutional amendment is permissible. The amendment must respect the basic structure of the Constitution. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.